just did.
Say hi.
Hi. You know the only one could ever be you.
Bye, guys.
Wait. You like that? He likes that. Feels great, doesn't it? Hey, feel like teeth. I just slapped it over. I got slapped it over my head. What's your name? Well, here I am, and as you can see, I have a calf sucking on my hand. I don't know what's so tasty about it, because I don't normally do that myself. It's kind of slobbery, but that's okay. Yucky, man. Suck on the thumb, man? Let's go to the baby one. Is there somewhere where we can clean off our hands? So how are you?
Good.
What's your name?
Elisha.
Have you let the cow suck on your hand yet?
Yes.
Do you like it?
It's funny.
Yeah, it sure is. We'll see you later.
Okay. Bye.
Well, here is a baby. It's not a big one. This is a baby.
Bowls are down here.
Woo, this is getting kind of interesting. How are you? Moo moo. Okay, well, I'm gonna go now, okay? Can I go now? Yes? Okay, thank you.
Okay. As you see, a boy is putting stamps on Lindsay's and Kaylee's hand. And they have ice cream cone and a big cow, and this one's a small cow.
Well, here we are at the shop, and we've just caught some customers. The Corthius family. Hi.
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 How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm wonderful.
So what's your favorite kind of ice cream?
Chocolate chip cookie dough.
Raspberry marble.
Black raspberry cheesecake.
Tin roof. This is dinosaur swirl, but I like the one that he has. The all of them.
So have you seen any of the pregnant cows yet?
Nope.
Pregnant cow.
No, we just kind of came down here and see that there's this farm day happening. We thought we'd check it out. Enjoy some of this here delicious ice cream. It's my weekly cone.
How long have you been coming to Maid?
Probably about 2 years. Faithfully about every Friday.
There's about 5 pregnant cows here. Are you guys going to go see them?
Sure.
As soon as I'm done my ice cream cone here, we'll go out and check out the animals.
Have you been on the hayride?
Hayride.
Nowhere. But I want to.
Bet you want to.
Take you on a hayride.
Have you looked at the t-shirts yet?
No, just seen the one you were wearing. Nice shirt.
Why, thank you. What's your favorite animal here?
The goats.
The goats. Okay, well, thank you very much for your time.
You're
welcome.
Well, here are some t-shirts. There are 2 to choose from. This is the back of one, and that's the back of one, and they all have this on the front. And they're $15.99, as you can see on the signs. Different sizes, too. Well, here we are at the freezer where you can see that we have some ice cream. There's lots of different kinds and different sizes. And down here, we've got bottled milk in jars, and you can get these delivered to your home. And down here, we have the 1 liter jugs, I think, and they're just the jugs of milk of Homo and Skim and 1% and 2%. And down here, we have some more milk, and we have some chocolate milk. And then right down here, we have some cheese and butter and some juices and yogurts and eggs. I scream, you scream. We all scream for ice cream.
During our stay at Maid, there were 2 cows well into labor. The first cow you see here needed assistance from the farmers, the reason being the calf was coming out breech, which means backwards. Most calves come out head first. This doesn't happen too often, and when it does, it doesn't take too long for the calf to be born. It may look painful, but every pull, they are helping the mother bring the calf into the world. In a minute, you will hear a mother tell her son what's happening and why.
Huge forceps.
Yeah, we're gonna get our ice cream cone in just a few minutes. Okay, love bug? Oh, you're a good boy.
Mom, I don't do nothing.
Well, because the baby calf doesn't want to come out. And they have to get it out fairly fast, otherwise it would die.
Complications at birth, but of course the farmer is there to assist her. Look at all these people watching on a very hot summer's day. The little baby bull was born healthy and everybody was fine.
what's your name?
Michael?
I see you've got milk there. That looks like chocolate.
Yeah.
Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Do you come here often?
No.
What's your favorite animal?
The goat?
The goats?
Yeah.
And have you been on a hayride?
Yeah.
Was it fun?
Yeah.
Thank you very much. As you can see, we're back at the petting zoo. There are a lot of animals like goats and sheep for the kids to pet.
And we've been on a whole tour of this great big farm. We've had some ice cream, and we've been on some rides, and we just basically seen it all.
We saw a cow being born too.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun, wasn't it, Kylie?
It sure was. And we had ice cream.
Yes, we did, and I already said that.
Oh, well, we had ice cream.
And remember, kids are alive.
Portions of